Hi guys, so Andrew from Kulea here, and I'm just going to quickly show you a little bit of our new bot buster feature in Kulea. So first I'm going to show you what the problem is, because the problem is pretty ubiquitous across Gmail and other security platforms these days. So if I send out a campaign, let's go campaign create, example bot buster 1. I'm going to send out just one of our branded email templates, branded Andrew. And I'm going to send this out to a Gmail database. I'm only going to send it out to a few, and I have access to all of those Gmail accounts. So email contains, it doesn't really matter what number it is, but let's say 999. And I've got 20. So there's 20 contacts that I'm going to send this email out to. Cool. There it goes. Now, those emails are all going to go to this Gmail account. This Gmail account is a Kulea test account. It's a catch-all. So what that means is, email abc123 at kulea.ma, abc345 at kulea.ma, whatever that is, as long as it's finished with at kulea.ma, it will go to this inbox here. But what I'm not going to do is I'm not going to open those emails when they arrive. We should see them coming through in just a second. Let me see where we are over here. Okay, so those are total, just sending those out. And what you're going to see now is, to me, it's a little bit worrying. You will see that Gmail, because of the nature of Gmail, their AI engine, their bots, will actually open a healthy percentage, a good percentage of these emails that I've just sent. Now, Gmail has been getting slowly, there we go. Okay, so 20 cent. We're updating. So we've already got 2 opens there. You can 3 opens. We can see that I clearly have not, and I've not even received a delivered event for those emails yet because they've not been delivered. So what the process is we send out the emails. Gmail intercepts those emails. It reads those emails. It's read 6 of those emails so far before that's even got to my inbox. Once it's read those emails and gone, yeah, okay, they're good emails. There's nothing scary. There's no malicious content in there. There's no viruses or anything. They'll forward them on to me, and I will get them in my inbox. So hopefully, there we go. If I click refresh now, there we go. I'm seeing those emails now being delivered. In fact, it's these ones here because I've got an automation set up on this particular one. So it's 34 emails delivered. If I go into Kulea now, I refresh. There we go. So delivered events been sent back 20 of those delivered events. And there we go. They're all in there. So 20 delivered events, but 6 opens. And you've just seen that yourself, I have not opened those emails. So what Kulea has done with those links is it said, okay, well, those are clearly bot activity. So let's have a look at Mr. Testy McTestface. Let's go and have a look at that behavior. There we go. It's actually this email here. So I've been sending out lots of emails, as you can see, but don't worry about that. It's actually this one here because I've sent out 2. So what we have is some interesting behavior here. There we go. That's this one. So that one was this morning. Ignore that. These are the ones we're looking at, 8:32. So we've got 2 events here. We've got a read email event, and that is followed by a sent email event. Now, clearly that's a bit suspicious because you can't read an email until that email has been sent to you. So this is where Gmail has intercepted this event at 8:32 and 9 seconds. It's read the email, it's sat on it for 20 seconds, and then it's delivered it to my inbox. Same goes for this one, which was a follow-up email campaign that I have in the system, which is email was read at 8:32 and 40 seconds, but it was actually only delivered at 8:32 and 44 seconds. So what that means is we are suspicious of that activity. And we have flagged that as being suspicious by putting a little suspected bot activity label on the email event. Exactly the same you'd see if we'd done that with a link, if there'd been a suspicious link in there and it taken place before the email was actually sent and registered to sent with us, we would flag it as such. Now, those are annoying because they absolutely skew your open rates. They absolutely skew all your email campaign KPIs, and they mean that you can't rely on your reports. If you're using marketing automation, as we are, you will also see something else. So in this case, what we had here was an email sent as a result of an email being opened. Well, we didn't open that email. So we know not only have spurious email open events, but we have spurious marketing automation journeys being fired off. This second journey here, this email, this is an automated sequence, these two here, was triggered by an email read, a read email event that didn't actually happen because it was a bot doing it, well, not a human. So this is the problem with this bot activity. It can apply lead scores spuriously, incorrectly. It can automate journeys and send people off on journeys that they shouldn't be put on, and it can mess up your reporting data. So how have we solved that? Well, we have botbuster functionality. Now, this is just an early beta release. You will see in a couple of days that the switch that I'm about to activate will be sitting in the top bar there. It'll become a toggle switch. But for now, we've got it tucked away here in sender settings, and we are turning on our bot clicks there. Ignore bot clicks. Brilliant. Little person behind me. Hey, Devlin. So if we were to send out that campaign, now what would happen with that bot buster in place? Bot buster, yay. Well, the bot buster acts as a filter. And what it does is it removes anything and everything that's sent by the email. Okay. I'm going to send this campaign out. This one's going to be containing 555. So there should be another 20 there. There we go. So we're going to send these out to different people. So bearing in mind when we sent this out first time, we had 6 fake opens from the bots. We're now going to send out the same campaign, and we're going to see very, very different results. What we will see is that there will be 0 opens up until the point I actually opened them. So wait for that to come through the system. Thank you for that, Devlin. Bunny ears there. Let me refresh that. Okay, and now they're sent, and we're just going to wait for them to be delivered, which will create that sent event. Okay, there we go. So with the bot buster on, we can see that all 20 emails are delivered. We can see that there are 0 fake opens, 0 bot opens, which is not going to be skewing our open rate. It's not going to be sending anyone on any spurious journeys. And the only way that we're going to actually generate those open events, guess what, is if we actually open the emails. So there you go. Email is opened. Go in now. Click refresh. Now it's opened all of them for me. There we go. Thank you, Gmail. Okay, all those emails are now open. Hope that shows the power of the bot buster. It will inevitably reduce some open rates. That's fine. We're showing actual open rates now rather than false open rates. So I'd much rather have accurate results than spurious opens and clicks. And we have a more effective, efficient marketing automation system that is acting on human behavior, not bot behavior. And that is the whole purpose behind the bot buster. Enjoy.